How to join Roblox eVade Discord server. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about joining the Roblox eVade Discord server. So now let's get started. First of all, you need to go ahead and open discord.com and log into your account. Open your Discord first and then click on Discover. Here, click on the search bar in the top and type in Roblox eVade Discord server. Hit enter and type in Roblox eVade. You will come across various servers. Now from here, choose one of the servers that you'd like to join. You will likely need to verify your account. Most servers have read these server rules and most servers have them. So go ahead and click on I'll just look around for now. So you will likely need to verify your account. And that's it. That's how you can join the eVade Roblox server. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.